Here we have a Ford Everest Trend, presented for sale by Team Hutchinson Ford here in Christchurch. This vehicle is currently our demonstrator. It's presented in black mica. Power comes from the 3.2 litre 5-cylinder common rail diesel engine, which develops 147 kilowatts of power and an impressive 470 newton meters of torque. This vehicle, we've added tinted windows. We've also added 22-inch alloy wheels with Cooper tyres, colour-coded wheel arch flares. The vehicle has the remainder of its factory warranty, which is 3 years or 100,000 Ks from the date of first registration. Date of first registration on this vehicle was 9th month 2015. Indicators integrated into the side mirror. Inside the vehicle we have 6 airbags, dual front, side and full curtain. This vehicle has the 6-speed Tiptronic Auto. We also have Ford's terrain management system. Up there we have 4-wheel drive low ratio, rear diff lock, stability control, and then the parking sensor on-off switch. Down in the cubby hole there you'll see there's 2 fast charge USB ports, auxiliary plug. We have dual power outlets, climate control air conditioning, 8-inch touchscreen which incorporates Sync 2, which I'll show you when I get round to that side of the vehicle. Nice features, we have this aluminium finish inside, we have the stitched dashboard. The vehicle is a 7-seater, fitted mats, theatre style seating to help reduce motion sickness. We have a very handy 150 watt plug in the central console there. And another power source. We have ventilation controls in the rear because we have fully ducted air conditioning right through the cabin. You'll see you can currently lease one of these vehicles, a Trend for $899 a month plus GST, or $1,099 a month plus GST for the titanium. Vehicle has element style LED brake lights. We have a power tailgate. The third row of seats splits 50-50 and folds down flat when not in use. Tow rating is 3,000 kgs braked. Vehicle comes with tow bar as standard equipment. We have remote locking with immobiliser, electric steering, height adjust on the driver's seat plus tilt on the steering column. You can also operate the electronic boot here. We have auto lights. So this vehicle is currently travelled 4,600 kilometres. If I quickly demonstrate that electric power steer, you'll see how light that is at low speeds for ease of manoeuvrability around town. Multifunction wheel. You'll see we have these navigation on the left here, which also recognises a speed limit in the area. The other options on the left here can be your phone or the audio system. On the right, various modes here. We've got the digital rev counter. We have lane departure warning, which are the 2 lines. And when they turn green, what it's doing is it'll constantly looking for the centre line and on the left as well. And if you start to veer to the left or right, it'll actually you apply a little bit of torque to the wheel to keep you within the lines. Radar cruise control is also standard equipment. So you'll see here those 4 bars. Reduce it down to 1, and there how close you'll follow the car in front. So if you're travelling at 100 kilometres an hour, come up to a vehicle that's doing 90, the Everest will adjust its speed accordingly to match that vehicle's speed and maintain the distance that you've asked it to. Now here we have the 8-inch touchscreen that I mentioned. It's divided into 4 quadrants: climate, navigation, entertainment and phone. In the phone system, so simply to operate, open each quadrant, touch it. One of the options in here will be Bluetooth streaming, USB, etc. Navigation is fast and clear with various different view options. And then of course we have sound. We can go through, there's the USB, SD card and Bluetooth audio. Ford's voice control system is very easy to use. Push this button here.
Please say a command.
Climate temperature 20.
Did you say 20 degrees?
Yes.
Setting temperature to 20 degrees.
Just like so. Some other really fun features. I'll show you this one here.
Please say a command.
I am hungry.
And where would you like to search? Nearby, in a suburb, or in a city?
Nearby.
Say a line number.
5.
When ready, press the voice button and then say, set as destination.
So as you can see there, if my phone was paired, simply call up, see if there's a table available. If I'm unsure how to get there, set it as my destination. And again, those navigation instructions also come up on the left-hand side of the Speedo there as well. Other cool functions with that, it can be find accommodation, find a Ford dealer, fuel station, all sorts. So really, really handy and very easy to use. Another unique feature in the Everest is active noise cancellation. It's something that you'd normally find in sort of your high-end headphones, but it reduces all the low-frequency noises to create what must be one of the quietest cabins in the SUV market. So if this vehicle is of interest, it's available for viewing at Team Hutchinson Ford. We're at 186 Churm Street in the central city of Christchurch.